I can't do it that full. Come straight back out.
What is this?
Why don't fish play football? Because they're scared of nets.
Sometimes I tuck my knees into my chest and lean forward. That's just how I roll. You're a very serious person, aren't you?
What's it called when a dinosaur scores a goal? A dinosaur.
You just laugh, like, will you just spit some out, like?
How do you make a tissue dance? Put a little boogie in it.
What's brown and sticky? A stick. Put me a stick. You wind me up, you. You're a nightmare.
I don't trust stairs. They're always up to something.
What kind of tea do footballers drink? What is it? Penal-tea? Penal-tea?
Penal-tea, mate.
Penalty.
I enjoyed that one. That was good, Dan.
You look good, like fair play.
More formal than that.
Dogs can't operate MRI machines. But cats can.
What is a goalkeeper's favourite snack? Beans on toast.
What's red and bad for your teeth? Especially yours. A brick. Stop heading them away, boy.
I tried to catch fog yesterday. Missed.